Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the Miss English podcast, where learning English is easy, fun, and full of confidence. I'm Emily, and I'm so happy to be with you today.
And I'm David. Thank you for choosing us to help you with your English journey. Today, we bring you a powerful episode. Don't be afraid to speak.
Many students feel shy, nervous, or scared when speaking English. So today, we're going to break that fear, step by step.
Let's start with the question everyone thinks about. Why is speaking the scariest part of learning English?
Number 1, fear of making mistakes. People don't want to say something wrong.
But mistakes are not the enemy. Mistakes are teachers.
Another big fear is, people will judge me.
But actually, most native speakers admire people who try to speak another language.
Exactly. They think, wow, you're learning my language? That's amazing.
Speaking is just like a muscle. The more you use it, the stronger it becomes.
And if you never speak, your speaking skill stays weak.
When I first learned French, I was terrified to speak. I ordered food by pointing at pictures.
I can imagine that. 1, this picture, please.
Exactly. But the day I forced myself to speak, the waiter understood me. And that small success changed everything.
When I started learning Korean, I mixed up words all the time. I kept saying embarrassed instead of shy.
Did people laugh at you?
No. They smiled and corrected me gently. That's when I learned mistakes are safe.
So if you feel afraid, it doesn't mean you're weak. It means you're human.
And every fluent speaker you know once felt like you do now. Now, let's go into some powerful strategies to help you speak confidently.
And we'll practice each one together.
The first strategy is simple. Think in English.
Even simple sentences like, I am hungry. What time is it? I like this.
Thinking builds fluency before speaking.
Let's do a small role play to practice.
You, the listener, will repeat after me. I can speak English.
You repeat. I am learning every day. You repeat.
I can speak English.
You repeat. Don't wait until you're perfect. Speak while you're still learning.
Speak with mistakes. Speak with pauses. Speak with fear. Because speaking creates confidence.
Let's show an example. I go to market yesterday.
Perfect. Small mistake, but great communication. Correct sentence. I went to the market yesterday.
See? The meaning was clear. That's what matters.
Don't try to sound like Shakespeare. Use small, simple, clear sentences.
Instead of, I require assistance, just say, I need help.
Let's practice. Repeat after us. I need water.
I like this.
I don't understand.
Can you repeat that?
Accept that mistakes are normal.
You learned your first language by making thousands of mistakes.
So give yourself permission to be imperfect.
Emily, sometimes students tell me, people will laugh at me.
I always ask, did you ever laugh at someone learning your language?
They say, no, of course not.
Exactly. Most people are kind.
Practice simple daily conversation topics. Food, weather, work, hobbies, family.
Small talk builds big confidence. Let's practice. David, ask me simple questions.
Where are you from?
I'm from Canada.
What do you like to do?
I like reading and cooking.
Talking to yourself is powerful practice.
Describe your day. I am walking. I am cooking. I am cleaning.
Repeat after me. I am learning English. I am improving every day. I am brave.
I am not afraid to speak.
Shadowing equals listen and imitate immediately.
It improves pronunciation, speed, and confidence. Repeat after me quickly. I can do this.
I will try.
I don't give up.
You don't need to speak fast to sound fluent.
Clarity is more important than speed. Hi, David. How are you?
I am good. Thank you.
Find someone patient, family, friend, teacher.
Or practice with us here.
Repeat and answer. What did you do today? You answer.
What do you want to learn? You answer.
Recording yourself helps you hear your progress.
You become your own coach.
Your pronunciation doesn't need to be perfect.
Your grammar doesn't need to be perfect.
Your effort is what matters.
Language is for communication, not competition.
If they understand you, you succeeded.
Hello, what would you like to order?
I want, chicken soup, please.
Perfect. Clear communication.
I like chicken soup, is okay. I want chicken soup, is okay. I would like chicken soup, is also okay.
All three are correct.
Your progress is unique. Don't compare it to others.
You're not behind. You're on your own journey.
Say this to yourself. I'm doing my best.
My English is improving.
Questions keep conversations alive. If you don't understand something, say, "Can you say it again?" What does that mean?
David, say something fast.
Fist a conjecture like this. Sorry, can you say that again slowly? Perfect example.
Words are single bricks. Phrases are full buildings.
Learn chunks like, do you want to? I'm not sure, but let me think. Repeat. Let me try. I'm learning. I don't know, but I want to learn.
Language takes time.
And you're doing great. David, imagine a listener who's afraid to speak.
I would say, you are braver than you think. One sentence today becomes 10 sentences tomorrow.
Spoke one sentence today? That's a win.
Understood one word? That's a win.
Repeat. I am improving. I did well today.
Sing English songs. Repeat movie lines.
Fun learning equals fast learning. Say it with me. I'll be there for you.
Yes, Friends fans know.
Practice 10 minutes a day. Consistency beats perfection.
Your voice matters. Your words matter.
English is your tool, not your enemy. Courage is not the absence of fear. Courage is speaking even with fear.
Say this with us.
I can do this.
I will speak.
I am confident. English learning is a journey. Enjoy every moment.
Laugh at your mistakes. Celebrate your progress.
Don't be afraid to speak. Your voice is strong. Your English is growing. Your confidence is rising. Thank you for joining us today. Remember, every time you speak English, you win.
We believe in you. Keep practicing. Keep speaking. Keep shining.
This is Emily
And David.
from Miss English Podcast. See you next time.